Today I want to talk to you about one life lesson we can all learn from the winter season. If you master this lesson, you'll be successful in anything you put your mind to. As someone who doesn't like cold, winter is a reminder that challenges and problems happen to us all. Just like winter, challenges and problems come uninvited. It sure seems like problems has everyone's home address and will show up at your doorstep unannounced. In winter, trees have no leaves and some animals are in hibernation. This is how they adapt to cold temperatures. We too can adapt to any challenge or situation. When life gives you lemons, how about you make lemonade? Complaining or finger pointing will not make any problem to go away. We need to adapt and find solutions. Many years ago, I moved to the United States to attend university. I didn't know anyone at this university or in the city in which the university was located. In addition to adapting to a new country, new weather, new education system, I had to find new friends and assimilate new culture. Even my taste buds had to adapt to American food. As Charles Darwin observed, it is not the strongest or the most intelligent of species that survives, but the one that's most adaptable to change. We must adapt or die. Because I wasn't ready to die, I adapted to my new environment and every challenge it presented. While winter is a good reminder of life's most difficult times, we are capable of adapting to anything. Remember, everything in life is temporary. Winter will soon turn into spring. The weather will get warmer. Snow will melt. Trees will regrow their leaves, and the animals will come out of hibernation. Whatever challenge or problem you face, remind yourself that it is for a season. Winter comes and goes, so do challenges in this life. Nothing lasts forever. Everything we go through in life, good or bad, is temporary. Like winter, it too shall soon pass. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.